Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I will show you how to delete multiple contacts in iPhone. Let's start. So there are actually, few ways to delete your contacts in iPhone. I believe it's like two or three. One would be, yeah, just deleting, contacts one by one. All you need to do is just go to your contacts and then just tap on the contact you wish to delete, and then just go to the, most bottom of the page with the red font that says delete, and then you can just choose on that. However, what if, you just left an organization or like an old flame that you want to delete, so they're like just want to remove a lot of contacts, or you want to remove multiple contacts from your iPhone. You don't have to do that like one by one if you're an iPhone user, but you do certainly need an iCloud for this one for you to delete all contacts. Okay, so I'll show you how. So you go to settings. So apart from just going to settings, guys, and then click on contacts, okay, and then choose, whichever account that your contacts are imported. So like in my case, my contacts are imported from iCloud. You could also do this in your computer or desktop, and you can manage, your contacts from there. From the contacts folder, you could also delete that. Here, for iCloud, what you need to do is once you access it, once you're here, you could see contacts, right? Just click on that one, and then you would be able to see here an option if you want to keep on your iPhone or delete from my iPhone. So if you click on delete from my iPhone, guys, this would erase all of your contacts that are actually imported on your account. So in my case, I just need to make sure that my contacts are still intact, so I'm just gonna do that. So there's actually like ways on of doing that in iCloud.com in your desktop as well, just a folder. But in this case, I'm just showing you how it's done on iPhone. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.